Hey parents, it's a new school year, and that means new money lessons to learn. This month, I'll share some money tips and lessons you can incorporate to elevate your kid's status from your broke best friend to your budding future millionaire. So, join me today as I dive into a popular cash management tool you can use to teach your kids lifelong money lessons. Hi, parents. I'm Holly Reid Tootle, the creator of the Master Playbook.com, and you are in the right place if you want to raise money smart kids and give them a solid financial foundation. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that notification bell. A lot of schools have partnered with some amazing school meal vendors, whether you attend public school, charter school, private school, even the meal plans on college campuses. The quality of these meal choices have come a long way since my days of Mexican pizza with a side of corn. Let me tell you, these kids are living their best life with healthy choices from smoothies to sub sandwiches to their favorite snacks at their fingertips. And I tell you, I'm a little jealous of the variety of all the choices that they have, all the things that they can choose from. Well, there is often a pretty little price tag attached to this convenience and the variety of options where at the beginning of each month, parents have access to their kids' school lunch account, where apparently parents can deposit a set amount for the month for their child's school lunch account. And then the child can pick and choose the things they want to eat. I mean, it's great. Your children are making independent choices, they get what they want, and everyone is happy, right? Well, what if your child's account is the one that keeps coming up short before the end of every month? What happens then? Are you the parent that just reloads the card to cover the gap and complains about it to your mom friends? This is the perfect opportunity. Your child's school lunch account is the perfect opportunity to help your children develop a budget in this area that's very focused around what they are eating every day. So, here are the steps, three simple steps. One, you have to determine what you are willing to provide each month. So, if the account is automatic, I'm sure these lunch accounts will allow you to set a specific amount that they are able to pull onto the school lunch account. Two, help your student map out their meals for the week and add up the cost. So many of these school lunch accounts, they'll post the menu in advance so your child can log on the Sunday before the week starts, make their choices, add them up, and make sure that they aren't going to go over their specific allowance for the week and then, of course, for the month. Now, third step, you need to determine in advance what happens if your child goes over the allotted amount. Now, obviously, you can't starve your kids, but think about what could be some viable consequences that actually impacts something that your child does care about. Maybe the overage from the lunch account impacts their gaming or entertainment budget. Maybe it reduces or eliminates the amount of time that they spend hanging with their friends that month. Or maybe it increases the number of chores they would normally have for the week or for the month. Whatever you decide, you want to make sure that it is meaningful so that the consequences actually influence their spending choices and their spending behaviors. We want them to actually think before they make these choices, right? We want them to do some comparison shopping when they are making their lunch and snack choices. The thing is, making a budget and sticking to it is a skill that will benefit your child for the rest of their life. So, teaching them how to budget early using something as simple as their school lunch account can really help them learn how to save money and how to make sound financial decisions as they get older. This is something you can talk about. This is something you can practice and something you can master all within one school year. So, if you found this helpful, if you found this tip helpful, I want you to hit the subscribe button. Be sure to share it with your family and friends. But I really want to hear from you. So share with me what ideas were sparked for you and how you may handle the cash management of your child's lunch account this year. I want to know. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.